Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Rain. We are going to make this cute expandable gift box together. It features love heart handles on the top. Pull the box out. There are 4 generous size boxes. Each is 3 by 1.5 inch. You can put all sorts of sweets or stickers. The finished size is just a little bit bigger than 3 by 3 inches. Okay, let's get started. The download link is in the description below. Click the link to find the file you would like to use. Please remember this is for personal use only. Here I am using Cricut Design Space. We will need to change score lines and attach them to the elements. We will need 4 boxes, so please make 4 copies of this one. Now we have all the elements cut out. Fold the box pieces. Glue the 4 glue tabs to make it into a box. Bend this tab outward and close the box. Make all 4 boxes, line them up to have the opening face the same direction. Glue the tab underneath the other box. Make 2 sets of the boxes like this. Glue them together. Close it into a cube. You will notice that there's a handle on one side but not the other. Assemble the love hearts on the handles. You could put more hearts to decorate however you like. One can never have too much love, right? The handle with the shorter bottom will go here and glue the 2 tabs together. The remaining handle goes to the top here. The box part is done. Move on to the outside box. This step is optional. Cut 4 squares that are 1.5 by 1.5 inch. I would suggest contrast colors so the love heart will stand out. Use the squares to cover the heart from the inside. Glue the tabs and make it into a box. Fill the boxes with goodies, then we are done. How adorable is this? Hope you have fun making this project. Please like, subscribe, or drop a comment to help my channel grow. Thank you for watching. See you next time.